for all the farmers, for all the delegates, for all the consultants, and for all the veterinarians also. So no doubt, exact the crowd is also right now very good, and a very good innovative ideas are there. A farmer can also really understand that exactly what kind of scenario is going on the industry, how to fight with the diseases, what kind of medicines are available in the market, what kind of replacements he can do, how he can minimize his production cost and all that. So it is a very good platform, and everybody has got a good particularly knowledge also, and it is helping the poultry industry. So I think this kind of exhibitions, it should be organized on regularly basis. No doubt it is organized yearly basis here, but sometimes the location can be also changed. Means sometimes it is in Hyderabad, sometimes it can be in Vizag, sometimes it can be in Gujarat also, sometimes it can be in Delhi also. So means all the farmers, particularly from that kind of area, they can come here and particularly get some good knowledge. Last year, the stalls are increasing day by day, and ultimately the innovative stalls are coming with a new concept. That means the equipment companies are also there, medicine companies are also there. So some innovative particularly stalls are coming day by day. See, present condition for layer farmers, it is very good since the egg rates are good, because the condition depend on the rates. Okay, the production cost and what is the marketable rates. So for layer farmers the rates are good, but for broiler farmer, it we can't say it is so not means it is not so good, but still we think that the situation will improve day by day and the rates will come up. See, the different technologies, any means segment, if it is coming with a new technology, it is always helpful, because with the help of a technology, a farmer can earn more profits, because once a new technology is introduced in his farm or at any stage in his feed mill or any of his parent farm and all that, he can minimize the initial production cost and can get more returns on that.